like loving you is all that I know. Okay, today we're going to talk about how to use Audiosuite. We are in our Pro Tools session. You use it when you want to add an effect to a particular phrase or line or word without adding it to the whole channel. So say we're right here in this song.
It's just another sunny day in California.
So say I want to pitch down this particular
It's just another sunny day in California.
but I don't want to pitch down this sunshine, or it's just another sunny day in California. So what I would do, would highlight it, go to slip, highlight this phrase.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Go to Audiosuite, go to pitch shift, and you can put any plug-in that you want to on here. But for this example, we'll use pitch shift. I'll do pitch shift legacy, and I'll move it down a couple, and this will preview it.
It's just another sunny day in California.
So let's just render it.
It's just another sunny day in California.
So you see how I did that one.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Say this one. I wanted to do something else. I don't know. Maybe I want to pitch it up.
It's just another sunny day in California.
It's not going to speed it up or anything, but it'll just pitch it up.
It's just another sunny day in California.
It's just another sunny day in California.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Say this one I want to do something different. Say I don't know. Say I wanted to put I don't know, doubler on it. Let's see.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Do that.
It's just another sunny day in California.
So you can go through. You could do just a particular word, or you can do anything. You can layer things. So where's the chorus? So say this is the chorus.
It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
Let's say I wanted to add something different to one of these. So maybe I pitch down this one. Go to highlight it. Go to Audiosuite. And pitch it down or double, or let me I don't know, double or four. I don't know. See, so you can just sample what it will sound like.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Let's see. I don't know.
It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
Doesn't sound too different.
It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
That don't sound different at all. Hold on.
It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
Let's do it. I don't know what it sounds like.
It's just another sunny day in California.
That doesn't sound good at all. So, Command Z to get rid of that, and let's just do a basic doubler and render that.
It's just another sunny day in California.
Let's go down to this one, and let's I don't know. What do we have? I don't know. I'll just say you can add extra reverb. You can Um, let's do repeater. So let's see. Let's sample it while
It's
we're doing.
just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
Just add a different layer to it,
It's just
whatever,
another sunny day in California.
and then probably want to put the mix down a little bit.
It's just another sunny day in California.
I think I did the do we have a repeater? That's I guess we can't use that one. Let's use something else. Let's just pitch it. Let's pitch it down.
It's just another sunny day in California. It's just another sunny day in California.
But as you can see, you can go through the song and you can do word phrases or whatever, and you can do that to different parts of your beat. You can, you can do whatever. But that's just when you want to affect certain parts of a clip without affecting the whole track or channel. Because if I was to put this pitch shifter on this channel, all this stuff would be shifted down, which I don't necessarily want. And maybe I want to, this stuff shouldn't be on the same channel anyway, but or track. But say I want this to do that one, but I like that, but I don't want this one to, so I wouldn't want to put it on this track and affect everything on this track. So that's how you use Audiosuite, and basically every plugin that you have basically is available in Audiosuite. So yeah, you could do anything. Like you can also use it like maybe sometimes you might use autotune and maybe everything is cool, but one word went the wrong way. Or one phrase you didn't like. You can use Audiosuite to highlight that one particular word and then auto-tune it a different way or to a different note that may work better. Or you can automate auto-tune and not have it affect that particular word also. But there's a lot of different ways you can use Audiosuite, or it comes in handy. Also, when you have reverb on a whole track, but you want one word to reverb more, you can use Audiosuite for that, or echo more, like at the end. So you could turn the echo way up so that the last word is echoes more than all the rest of them. And yeah, you can use that to just really be creative about different words or lines in your mix. Okay. That's about it. So give it a try. All right. Till next time.